The river of the Orinoco is crossed by a chain of granitic mountains. Among the cataracts periodically washes the granitic rocks. They become smooth, black, and as if coated with plumbago. The coloring matter does not penetrate the stone. They give the landscape a singularly gloomy aspect, their color being in strong contrast with that of the foam of the river which covers them, and of the vegetation by which they are surrounded. What is this brownish black crust which gives these rocks, when they have a globular form, the appearance of meteoric stones? What idea can we form of the action of the water, which produces a deposit, or a change of color, so extraordinary? Some experiments made at Mexico, conjointly with Senor del Rio, led me to think that the rocks of ATURES, which blacken the paper in which they are wrapped, contain, besides oxide of manganese, carbon, and supercarbated iron. At the Orinoco, granitic masses of 40 or 50 feet thick are uniformly coated with these oxides, and, however thin these crusts may appear, they must nevertheless contain pretty considerable quantities of iron and manganese. Berzelius, who, at my request, examined these crusts, recognized in them the union of iron and manganese. That celebrated chemist was of opinion that the rivers do not take up these oxides from the soil over which they flow, but that they derive them from their subterranean sources and deposit them on the rocks in the manner of cementation. It must be observed that all these phenomena of coloration have hitherto appeared in the torrid zone only, in rivers that have periodical overflowings, of which the habitual temperature is from 24 to 28 centesimal degrees. Now, if these black crusts were formed by a slow decomposition of the granitic rock, under the double influence of humidity and the tropical sun, how is it to be conceived that these oxides are spread so uniformly over the whole surface of the stony masses?